Why is it stuck? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Monopoly set 4th Wing edition, and let's do an unboxing. I have 0 Monopoly sets, not even the original, and the reason I bought this was because I saw there was a version of the A Court of Thorns and Roses Monopoly set coming out. I had gone through on Amazon and I found a 4th Wing edition, so I bought this one and let's do the unboxing. So it's got the same cover as the book, which is very nice, very exciting, and it looks like it comes in a nice book box. It's got beautiful sprayed edges too. Okay, it looks like a book, which is so beautiful. Whoever designed this just deserves a raise. We've got a beautiful note for the fans. This looks like it might be the actual board. These are the instructions. I mean, you should know how to play the game. And if you don't... Okay, so instead of money, it looks like we have coins. We have coins that are worth 1 or 5. So I guess like $1 or $5. We have a pair of dice that look very nice. It's black and gold. We've got the cards. So this is the parapet and cards for the Book of Brennan. So we have the houses. Okay, so the houses look a bit different. A little castle and then a big castle, which would obviously be the hotel. These I'm going to assume are the playable characters. Okay, so the characters look like they're in different colors. Oh, these are beautiful. Okay, so we have different dragons, I believe. So each dragon is a different color. And there's lots of different dragons. So it's not just 1 to 4 players. Looks like we can have 7 different players. So the dragons are actually these really cute. Oh, this looks like tan. This looks like Adana, the gold. So it looks like we have a bunch of different dragons, which will be the different dragons in the book. So looking at the money system in this, looks like it might be a bit different to the original Monopoly. The main objective would be the same, to collect as many properties as you can. So I can see based on this first card, things are only worth a small amount of money, which is the 1 and the 5 that we saw before. Now let's get to the actual board. Okay, it's a beautiful design, and it looks like the properties are from the book, obviously, like that would make sense. So we have Sigeo, Adana, we have dragons as the train stations. We have the Codex as probably the community chest, and Book of Brennan as chance. We still have the free parking, the go to jail, and jail. What I'm not seeing though is tax. This is a beautiful set, it's a beautiful design, I love this. And I didn't even know since when Monopoly does book editions, but we'll also be doing an ACOTAR version unboxing when that releases later in the year. And if you're a fan of 4th Wing and you like Monopoly, why not just get this set? This is so cool, this looks like so much fun. So there you have it, that's what's included in the 4th Wing Monopoly set. Thank you for staying to the end of this video, and I hope to see you next time.